What are you drinking? Oh.
You want one? I'll go grab a PA.
Oh, no, no. Thank you, though.
Yeah.
I see you got the extra whipped cream in there, huh?
Yeah.
Yummers. Guess you wanted to cram in as much fat fuck as possible.
Did I do something wrong?
You think I haven't seen you? Shoving back 24 cupcakes in the break room. 9 servings of Meryl's truffle risotto night.
Hey, man. You know, I need 30,000 calories a day.
Maybe when you actually wine you do. But now you're just eating your yummers. Yummers. Fastest man alive, what a fucking joke. What did you say?
Nothing. Nothing?
Yummers.